Don't even what? You having trouble? Not yet. I brought you something. Troy for the it says air. Does that smell like air?
No.
You sure as hell don't. You trying to figure out how to release that?
Who's working?
Okay. I'm gonna put this in the bathroom.
Reeks.
I know. Well, he uses up the other one. I thought he put it empty out here, so I figured somebody needs that. I don't know who uses it. I don't. My shit don't. Hey, my shit don't stink. My shit don't stink, remember? Ha. Are you fictional characters or are you not fictional? Do you remember the definition of that?
Of what?
Fiction, non-fiction.
Never heard of it.
Okay. I didn't think so. You didn't go to school, did you?
No.
Came out of the mama and then went right to work?
I was the size of
Okay. You came out the size?
Yeah. 6'4", 320.
Right on. Boy, your mom must have had a hell of a time. They must have had to give her one hell of an episiotomy.
Had to have done something.
Yeah, I'd say. I don't think C-section would even get your head through. You're terrible.
She claims my head was this size when I come home.
Oh, God. So what are you up to? About done?
Oh, putting some fluid in the transmission.
Really?
It's supposed to take 8, but it only took 6. So.
Might have her fired up today yet?
It'll fire up today.
Really?
Yeah.
Good man.
All goes ready to drive out today.
Is the red... No shit. Is the red light on the front?
Yeah.
I turned it on with my... You have to go into your phone and use the app to interface with this. There's one thing yesterday I don't like about GoPro. I was out here and then I went outside in here one of those days and it turned, oh, the mouse thing yesterday. I went outside and it hit that white light and it wouldn't auto.
White lightning?
Yeah, I couldn't see me dumping the mouse out. Kind of pissed me off.
Yeah, I got it.
Does it involve food?
Huh?
Does it involve food?
So you're buying lunch or what?
No,
Oh,
not today.
good. Go find me one of them.
Today yet? When I get back.
Before I can drive it out.
When I get back. We don't have that. There's a bunch of them up in the front cubby. Can you?
In the front cubby there?
Yeah, I bought a whole bunch of extras. You'll just have to cut it shorter or make a loop. I want to see what Troy's up to before I go. They're on behind the desk in a box, I believe. Should say Napa on it. What? You leave that other cylinder right on there?
Maybe.
Told the wet sprocket.
I heard something about Mike buying lunch today. I don't know.
No, it's tomorrow.
I don't know where that came from.
It's tomorrow. I'm waiting for my stimulus check.
I heard.
That I ain't never gonna cash. You heard it here first.
Hand me that hammer.
What hammer? Sledge? That's a big hammer. I might get dirty, Troy. Ugh. Don't hit that valve bank. There you got her. A white one. The springs, the extra springs I bought. I bought a box of 5 from the Canapa store.
The one that were in my toolbox? You threw in my toolbox?
Yeah. Did I put them in your toolbox? All right, see you, bye. How'd you get that out?
Brute force.
Brute force and a big bunch of caffeine and chewing tobacco? Wonder what it looks like over there without that in there. A lot better. Oh yeah, they give you a square hole, I see, and a couple of the bolts were, yeah, mm-hmm. Look at them dowel pins. Good job, boys. You know what that is, Troy? That's like the clampets. Jed and Ellie Mae. No, they struck oil. They didn't strike gold, but look here.
Black gold.
This is black gold, Texas D.
That's right.
That's all the bronze from the upper bearing walk. There's got to be a bronze bearing up there. Playing in the gold. Too bad that ain't valuable. Stinks. Troy, it stinks like rotten 80-90.
Can I look over there? Oh, I can't see what I'm doing, but that's cool looking. Is that a roller bearing? Yeah.
All right, another little tidbit of information. No, I don't want to see your. No. Troy, what are you polishing that for?
Stuff and things.
You had to get the dust out? Are you going to put lubriplate on there? Assembly grease? Are you going to repack them?
Maybe.
Oh. So what do you think of that wear?
Or
There's way out at the ends.
it was bull gear was coming down, so I
Oh,
was wearing on the top here.
Okay. So
The
what are
spines
you?
get bigger once they go farther up.
Yeah. So what are you actually doing then? Let's tell all our viewers.
Fixing stuff.
Fixing stuff, huh? You're gonna repack the ends. And I think I heard a die grinder. Oh, you're taking all the Raymond burrs off of there. That's a wow. Them will cut you wide open, huh? Okay.
Finished product.
Did you get that? No.
You gotta let it sit for a while so the temperature equalizes.
What'd you do? Warm her up?
You hit it in a little bit, wait a little while, and hit it in some more. And
Does it get hot then when you're hitting it? And it. Oh.
I'm just talking on my ass.
Oh, that happens. Kyle talks out of his ass, but they usually come in the form of flatulence. Right? Barking spiders.
Probably.
Did you ever have a shark?
Yep.
How about you?
A couple minutes ago.
Survey. Oh God, we gotta go away. All right, I'll let you go. Geez, Kyle. I don't think them cylinders are supposed to be up that high.
Are you talking stupid for the camera?
Yeah, I damn. Damn. I damn. You got it all back. You got the belly pan on too, Skidmore?
Yeah.
JP Skidmore. What are you doing in there?
Working.
Okay. Oh, them damn pipe type.
Fucking stupid.
Yeah. You got the blade pushed back and everything already? Anyway, it's only been here for about a year. Not quite. 6 months?
August 19th we drove it in.
August 19th. Well, it's March 18th, so 12-year-olds. Hey, I gotta show my customers, they're not customers. Making a rudder for a duck's ass. Right, Kyle? Yeah, they're all scared of me. It's a rudder for a duck's ass. I gotta paint her up. What? Shut up. It's a handrail, don't you know? Yeah, it's a handrail. For Pa. So we can get in and out of the house. Made her up this morning. Now I got a painter. Did you say the painter's in town? You ever heard that one? What? The painter's in town. Have you ever heard that one? You don't know the painter comes once a month. Usually just for the ladies.
You can't assume that nowadays.
Yeah, I know. They might have a paint. Yeah. It might be twice removed and then reattached somewhere else. Right, Kyle? Right.
You got her. That's sturdy.
Now the door won't shut.
Oh, yeah. We forgot to measure the angle of the door.
Oh, I measured all that. That's why it's right. That's why I engineered it yesterday.
Very tight.
See, I'm not gonna. This is my camera these days that I've been using.
Oh.
Then I put this on there too. I wasn't gonna. I was just gonna have it come down. I thought, no, when you come over here,
Yeah, you got something.
that'll be it. And you know what that is right there? That's a Steely
Oh.
that I just welded around and grounded flush.
You never know.
A big marble. So I think that'll work, Pa.
Yeah, I think it will.
Oh, we just gotta get you up and roaring. You too? He's not having any. When you're good. What is it?
Huh?
I'm gonna plug my customer. Venison, not for sale.
Nice meat.
You can't beat Mike's meat. You always want another one?
Not if you're gonna talk all gay.
No, I'm not gonna talk all gay. All day, yeah, not all gay.
All day, I know you talk all
You want another one, Troy? You're a growing boy.
One bite, Troy.
Spice is kicking in.
What do you guys do? Ooh, that's like Mr. T's necklace. You remember Mr. T? I'm online here.
I know. The spice is kicking in.
Notice that in what? It's jalapeno and cheese. You gotta have cheese. All right. Troy, go on the other side of there and stick your nose in there. I'm kidding. All right. I gotta know. What?
Where's the handrail?
I put it in front of the furnace, in front of my hot air furnace, so it dries. That Rust-Oleum paint takes forever.
What was that noise out
A barrel.
there? The condenser.
Everybody say it. See you, bye.